Every day you are wasting time dragging and dropping files into folders and applications, and you don't even know it. Windows has a hidden feature that lets you send any file to any folder or application in literally one click. No paid software, no complicated setup. I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up in the next few minutes, and you'll never waste time moving files again. Now what you want to do, press on your keyboard Windows plus R, and you want to add this command. Click on OK, and this will bring you here. The next thing you can do, the application or folder you want to send to, you want to highlight them. Once highlighted, you want to press on your keyboard Alt and then drag them into this folder. Once in the folder, you can go ahead and close the folder. Now the next time you want to open a file with that application or send to that folder, if it's an application, you want to make sure the application can read the file. Now this is what I mean. For example, Photoshop works best with image, and I have an image on my desktop here. Right click on the image, and this time around when you come to send to, you see extra features, which is the Photoshop I've added and the Google Chrome. I'm going to select Photoshop in this section, and this will open Photoshop and open the image. So there you have it. You can also do this for folders. So for example, if a folder was added into this section and then you want to send a file to a folder, when you right click and go to send to, you'll see the folder. Simply just select the shortcut, and then when you open the folder, you'll find the file has been sent there. So if you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like this video, share this video with anyone who will need this tip, subscribe to this channel, and have the post notification turned on.